Have you ever wondered what you're actually paying for with a robo-advisor like Wealthsimple? A lot of people choose these platforms because they're seen as a low-cost way to invest, and while that's true, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. There are different fees and they work in different ways, so understanding them is key to maximizing your returns. Let's break down the three main fees associated with Wealthsimple Invest. First up is the management fee. This is the fee Wealthsimple charges you directly for managing your portfolio. It's a percentage of the total assets you have invested. Wealthsimple has a tiered system based on the value of your assets. For most people, it's 0.5% a year. But if you have over $100,000 invested, you become a premium client and that fee drops to 0.4%. And for the big hitters with over $500,000, it's even lower, starting at 0.4% and going as low as 0.2%. It's important to remember this fee is calculated daily and charged monthly. For a portfolio of $10,000, a 0.5% fee would be about $50 a year, or a little over $4 a month. Not a lot, but it adds up over time. Next, we have the management expense ratio, or MER. This is a fee that is not charged by Wealthsimple itself, but by the companies that create the ETFs or exchange-traded funds in your portfolio. An ETF is just a basket of different stocks or bonds. The companies that manage these baskets charge a small fee to cover their costs. This fee is automatically factored into the price of the ETF, and you'll never see it as a separate charge on your statement. For a standard Wealthsimple portfolio, the MER is typically around 0.12% to 0.15%. This is a huge benefit of robo-advisors. They give you access to low-cost ETFs, which is often much cheaper than investing in traditional mutual funds. Finally, there are currency conversion fees. This one is simple. If your portfolio holds US dollar-denominated assets, like a US stock ETF, Wealthsimple needs to convert your Canadian dollars into US dollars to buy it. And when you sell, it's the reverse. There's a 0.4% fee applied to that conversion. If you're a premium client, you can get a USD account which helps you avoid this fee on every trade. But for most, it's just a small cost to be aware of if you're holding US assets. And that's it. So, to recap, you have Wealthsimple's management fee, which is based on your total assets, the MER, which is the cost of the underlying ETFs, and a potential currency conversion fee if you hold US assets. Understanding these three simple fees is all you need to know to be a smart Wealthsimple Invest user. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.